Welcome, health enthusiasts, to a deep dive into America's evolving drinking habits. For years, beer and cider have been staples in social gatherings and quiet evenings alike. But a significant shift is underway, driven by a growing awareness of calorie intake and a desire for healthier choices. More and more health-conscious Americans are now opting for spirits over their fermented counterparts. Why? It all comes down to the numbers. Calories. Let's break down the calorie counts. Standard 12-ounce regular beer can is packed between 150 to 200 calories, sometimes even more for craft beers, or higher ABV options like IPAs, which can soar to 200 to 500 calories per 16 ounces. Similarly, a 12-ounce serving of hard cider typically lands in the same range, around 150 to 200 calories, and often contains significantly more sugar due to its apple base. Now compare that to a standard 1.5-ounce shot of distilled spirits. Think asterisk vodka, gin, whiskey, tequila, or rum asterisk. These typically contain a lean 97 to 120 calories. The difference is stark, especially when you consider multiple drinks. 2 beers could easily equal 300 to 400 calories, while 2 shots of liquor might be just under 200 for those tracking their caloric intake. This makes spirits a much more appealing option. It's not just about the raw numbers, it's about the volume. To get the same alcoholic effect, you often consume a much larger volume of beer or cider, which also means consuming more liquid calories and often more carbohydrates. While light beers exist, coming in at around 90 to 110 calories per 12 ounces, many drinkers find they need to consume more of them to achieve the desired effect, potentially negating the calorie savings. Cider, in particular, often carries a hidden sugar load. While dry ciders can be lower in sugar, many popular commercial ciders have added sugars to appeal to sweeter palates, contributing significantly to their calorie count and carbohydrate content. For those on low-carb or ketogenic diets, beer and cider can quickly become problematic, whereas pure spirits contain virtually 0 carbohydrates and 0 sugar. The trend towards health and wellness isn't just about weight management. Americans are increasingly mindful of what they put into their bodies. There's a growing, sober, curious movement. The significant percentage of Americans, particularly younger generations like Gen Z, actively trying to reduce their alcohol consumption or choose lower-impact options. In fact, nearly half of Americans surveyed are attempting to drink less alcohol in 2025. This isn't just a fleeting trend. It's a sustained shift in lifestyle choices. One of the top reasons cited for this reduction in drinking: improved physical health and weight loss. This directly fuels the preference for spirits. When consumed responsibly, spirits offer a cleaner profile. They're essentially pure alcohol, with calories derived almost entirely from the alcohol itself, not from added sugars, carbs, or other ingredients often found in beers and ciders. The way spirits are consumed also plays a crucial role. A typical order for a health-conscious drinker might be a vodka soda, or gin and tonic with diet mixer, These simple combinations drastically reduce the overall calorie count of the drink. Compare this to elaborate cocktails made with sugary syrups, juices, and liqueurs, which can easily exceed the calorie content of a beer. However, the basic spirit with a calorie-free mixer offers a significant advantage. This isn't to say beer and cider are inherently bad. Many people enjoy them in moderation, and some beers and ciders can even offer certain nutritional benefits, like antioxidants in some ciders or certain B vitamins in beer. But for those laser-focused on calorie control, the choice becomes clear. The shift also reflects a broader understanding of alcohol's impact on the body. While alcohol itself contains calories, the delivery system matters. The empty calories often associated with alcohol are more pronounced in beverages with higher sugar and carb content. By choosing spirits, individuals feel they have greater control over their caloric intake and can avoid the bloating and carbohydrate load often experienced with beer. Furthermore, there's increasing awareness about the link between alcohol consumption and health risks, including cancer. While all alcohol carries risks, the conscious choice of spirits, often consumed in smaller quantities or with less frequent indulgence, can be part of an overall strategy to reduce intake and mitigate potential negative health impacts. In conclusion, the American palate is evolving as health and wellness become paramount. The traditional preferences for beer and cider are giving way to a more discerning approach to alcohol consumption. The simple math of calories, coupled with a desire for less sugar and fewer carbs, is driving many to embrace spirits as their beverage of choice. This trend isn't just about weight loss, it's about a holistic approach to health, where every sip is a conscious decision. What are your thoughts on this shift? Let us know in the comments below, and remember to always drink responsibly.